Professor Essila, the Director of the Operations Management Academy, and I'm here to introduce our new video series on value stream mapping. Right? We want to walk you through what is value stream mapping and the process itself, how to create the current state map, the future state map, and how to calculate all the indicators and help your organization improve processes. So make sure that you stay tuned, and I will talk to you later about that. In today's session, we will advance our understanding on how to interpret a value stream map, focusing on the zones of a value stream map. Let's begin our exploration. A value stream map has 4 zones arranged vertically, as you can see here. So here you have the information zone right at the top, followed by the process zone and the process data box zone here, and finally the time ladder zone. So as we discussed in our earlier videos, value stream map are categorized into 2 types. We have a current state map and a future state map. So we'll now examine this zone on a current state value stream map, right? So this one, the one that we have here, is a current state map. So here first, let's review the information flow zone. This zone is characterized by various arrows. The wiggle arrows that you can see here, these wiggled arrow or wavy arrows, as some people will call them, they indicate electronic information flows, while the straight arrows here denote natural information flow. Right. So moving to the process zone, this area contains boxes representing the step in the process, like this one. This is another step in the process, and this is another step, this is another step. You can see how many people are involved in this step. That's why usually you see a number here that says 1, and here you see maybe 2 or 1, depending on how many people are involved. And in addition to that, you also have the path of the material flow that goes into these processes. You can see inventory here. And then the next one to see is going to be our process data zone. You will find data boxes. This is what we call data boxes, right? These are the data boxes representing each step. Each step is represented by its own data box, right? This step will be representing the data for this process step, providing critical insights into process performance. Each process, how it performed, that's why you have them here. We'll talk about that in another video in details. And lastly, you have the time ladder zone, visually resembling a ladder. You can see here, right? It really looks like a ladder, right? You can see here. All right. This zone displays lead times on the upper part. Here you're going to have the lead time, right? The lead time is displayed here, and the processing time is usually displayed on the lower part of the ladder. So here you're going to see the processing time, and then the total goes here for the processing time, and the total goes here for the lead time, right? So in our upcoming, so you can see them again here, right? The information zone, the process zone, the process data zone, and the time ladder zone in one setting here. So in our coming videos, we'll delve into the performance indicators of a value stream mapping, exploring their calculation and the interpretation with an example of a solved problem. And so we will also make a video on the value stream mapping, the future state map. Right now we have been talking only about the current state, so we will also do a video on the future state. So subscribe for the latest update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.